Heart attack.
That's number 8.
I'm gonna grab my.
Did I tell you about the team who was trying to power their motors from 4 AAs?
Really?
Yeah, they literally had a
Even
battery
we didn't
pack
try that.
plugged into the motor boards, which won't even work off that power voltage.
Yeah.
And they're like, why doesn't it work?
Right,
As well as they were
ready for this?
Was this an AS team?
I
First
don't
team?
know where
Someone
they
should
were.
hold this. Ollie, you can hold it.
They also were addressing the wrong motor board at the same time.
Right. I've got to manually switch this on at the right time.
I'm not even thinking about this. I'm not wearing this to look silly. I genuinely care.
You look silly.
Right.
It's got a good beat.
Hang on, I wasn't supposed to do that. Oh well. That started up properly.
It worked.
Right, turn on the ESC now. That's just on. I think I've just turned it on. Right, here we go. After 10 seconds.
The suspense of 10.
Oh, and it crashes. There are only 8 servo outputs on the... Oh, it starts at 0.
Oh. What are you doing? Not counting from 0.
Jesus Christ, this is it.
That's what that should be doing. That's good. Get ready just in case. I don't think it will do anything though. That was freaking cool!
That wasn't too loud.
That wasn't loud at all. More power!
That was quiet. Okay.
That was quiet and not very... How did it feel?
It made my hand go.
It made most stuff off the desk. That
Yeah.
Yeah.
That desk had stuff on it before. Just when it starts up, it goes goosh. It actually twists my hand. Yeah. And I've got a strong right hand.
Right, here we go. This is 70, so gonna go down. When it... Hang on. It's still 3 seconds. See, I told you we're not doing more than...
Oh.
We have our limits! Turn it off, turn it off, turn
I'm
everything
so
off.
glad you put it that way round.
I told you we're not doing that more
Did
than
it just break it, shut it completely, or is it still...
No,
okay.
it's fine. It
So the plate-
completely unscrewed.
So the carbon fibre nylon blade is still
It's
fine.
actually carbon fibre.
Carbon fibre nylon blade.
This actually unscrewed. That's screwed on.
So you want a power drill to screw that on in the actual competition?
You can't screw it on, you had to use like an Allen key and twist through the middle.
Well, some method of completely and utterly screwing it on beyond
Forever.
human strength.
Well, hang on, let's get the Allen key, do it properly, because we don't want
No,
to...
it's not. You just need a piece of metal. You don't need an Allen key.
Are
Yeah.
you sure? Alright.
It's just a hole to stick a piece of metal
Yep,
in.
you're right. I see my
Okay.
stupidity.
There you go, that'll do. Without breaking the screwdriver.
Right, okay, so
That was-
60. 60's good.
I told you we're not doing